Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's talk about using libraries between the standard and pro versions. The system libraries can sync between the two versions, so that part's easy. But the users contribute the libraries in the standard version and the public libraries in the pro version don't work across versions. And any personal libraries you make yourself can be shared directly either. So if you create a library in one version and want to use it in other, you'll need to manually migrate or import it. In short, system libraries sync smoothly, but personal libraries and some user-contributed ones need a little extra work.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.